First, we have the home page. It introduces you to the app and displays a Get Started button. Once pressed, it will take you to the patient or provider screen. But first, here's a look at the splash screen. Now, this is the patient or provider screen. It displays the user two options, a provider or a patient. This is also where our first test case appears. In this case, the user cannot continue without selecting an option first. Here's an example of that. For now, I will select the patient option to continue. This takes us to the patient sign-up page. Here, the user is required the following fields: full name, email, password, and confirm password. This is where our second test case occurs, where each field is needed to be filled out to continue. The third test case is receiving a confirmation email. I'm going to demonstrate that by filling out the page. Here's a verification email that I received after signing up. Now we move on to the sign up continue page. Here the user is able to select the profile picture, date of birth, and gender. For the profile pic, the user is able to choose from either the camera or gallery. This brings us to the next test case, where the profile image does not change to the default picture if I move screens or click the Add Profile Picture button as it did before. For example, the profile picture is still there. The profile picture is still there. The next page is the Verify Email screen. Here the user will enter a verification code before the time expires. Afterwards, we have the welcome back screen where the user needs to type in their email and password once again. Also, the provider option contains similar pages as the patient as shown. Another test case examines whether the user is able to use the back arrows to move screens and edit their data. For example, additionally, we also have the onboarding screens. The screens will have tutorials that display the features of the app and how to use them. For the onboarding screens, the test case is to check whether the user is able to move forwards and backwards. For example, inside camera, your diary, your hero, your quiz, and move backwards. And that's it. That's it for our demo. Thank you.